Do you ever wonder if there is a way to make money by doing simple things that you love, for example, music? Well, today I'm going to share with you 2 exciting opportunities that allows you to earn money through music without actually making any songs. They are easy, fun, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. So stay tuned and do subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends. So the first way or the first method is to go to this website called pixabay.com. On Pixabay, navigate to their music section. You'll find a wide range of royalty-free tracks. You can search by artist, song, genre, or mood. You can download as many songs as you like for free, and those will be the songs that we are going to use to make money with this method. Once you found your songs on Pixabay, head over to another website called app-forever.com. This site lets you share your music file with others, and every time someone downloads your file, you make money. Signing up on app-forever.com is easy and quick. You just need to provide some basic information and you are good to go. Plus, they offer multiple payment options like PayPal, which is accessible worldwide. Now let's talk about how you can maximize your earnings with this method. One strategy is to create playlists of popular songs or a certain genre. By curating playlists that cater to specific tastes or moods, you can attract more listeners and increase your chance of earning. Another tip is to promote your music files with your friends and family and share it on your social media. Share your uploads with friends and followers and encourage them to check out your tracks. The more people you reach, the more downloads you'll get and the more money you will make. Now let's talk about the second method. The second method is through affiliate marketing. You have probably heard of platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and others. These platforms pay royalties to artists and record labels for every stream of their songs. But did you know that you can also earn a commission by promoting music and playlists on these platforms? Here's how you're going to do it. You create playlists of your favorite songs or curated selections tailored to specific themes or moods. Once you have crafted your playlist, share them with others through your social media, blogs, or dedicated websites. When someone listens to your playlist and signs up for a premium music subscription through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now you might be wondering, how much can I really earn from this? Well, the sky is the limit. The more people who listen to your playlist and sign up for premium subscriptions, the more money you can make. It's a scalable income stream that grows as your audience and influence expands. But how do you get started? It is simple. First, sign up for affiliate program offered by music streaming platforms. Most major platforms have affiliate programs that allows you to earn commissions for referring new subscribers. Once you are approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link that tracks your referrals and commissions. Next is start creating playlists that appeal to your target audience. Think about your future audience on what kind of music they will enjoy or what kind of mood they will be in. Whether it is upbeat workout tunes, relaxing instrumental melodies, or nostalgic throwback jams, there is a playlist for everyone. Once your playlists are ready, it's time to promote them. Share them on your social media, for example Facebook or Instagram, or blog about them, or collaborate with influencers in your niche. The key is to get your playlist in front of as many people as possible and encourage them to listen and subscribe. As your playlist gains attraction and attracts more listeners, you will start seeing your affiliate earnings grow, and the best part is you are earning passively while enjoying the music you love. It's a win-win situation. But wait, there is more. You can also monetize your playlist through sponsorship and brand partnership. As your playlist gains popularity and attracts a loyal following, brands may reach out to collaborate with you. They might pay you to feature their products or promote their artists. In conclusion, making money by sharing your music playlist is an enjoyable way to earn passive income. By leveraging affiliate marketing and creating engaging playlists that resonate with your audience, you can turn your love for music into lucrative side hustle. So those are the 2 ways you can make money through music. If you found value in this video, do subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends. Till then, goodbye.